In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on eBay with a gift card. Let's get started right on the eBay homepage. In the large search bar at the top, type the product you want to say watch and press enter. You'll see a results page with lots of options. Take a moment to refine what you see using the filters on the left, like condition, price range, brand, or delivery options. This helps you find exactly what you want faster and avoid surprises at checkout. When a listing looks promising, click it to open the product page. Here, review the details carefully. The full description, what's included, sizing or specs if relevant, shipping costs and delivery dates, and the seller's return policy. It's also smart to glance at seller feedback and recent buyer reviews so you can feel confident about the purchase. If the item has variations, like color or size, select the one you want before you move on. Ready to buy? Click Buy it now. This takes you straight to the checkout page so you can secure the item without extra steps. Give the order summary a quick look to make sure the quantity, price, and shipping method are correct. Now look for the section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons on the checkout screen. It's usually easy to spot. If it's collapsed, click to expand it. This is where you'll redeem your eBay gift card or apply a coupon. In the box provided, type your gift card or coupon code exactly as it appears on your card or email. Enter it carefully. Avoid extra spaces or missing characters. If your card includes a PIN, you may be prompted to add that as well. Some promotions and items have restrictions, so if a code doesn't work, it might be due to category exclusions, expiration, or order minimums. After you've entered the code, click Apply. Watch for the confirmation message and check that your order total updates. You should see the gift card balance or discount deducted from the subtotal, taxes, or shipping according to the offer's terms. If the total doesn't change, recheck the code, make sure it hasn't expired, and confirm the item is eligible under the offer details. Once your code has been successfully applied and everything in the summary looks right, you're all set to complete the purchase. That's the whole process. Search for your item, choose the listing you want, use Buy It Now, open the gift cards and coupon section, enter your code, and click Apply. Follow these steps each time you shop, and you'll make the most of your eBay gift cards and coupons with confidence.